In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Thunder VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Thunder VPN app, you need to go ahead and look for this app called Play Store on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. From here, go ahead and look for this search bar on top here, or if you can't see it, go ahead and look for the search icon down below. Tap on it and then just search by name Thunder VPN and then tap on the search icon. And here you can see we have quite a number of VPN app. We are interested in Thunder VPN app. So our app is here. Go ahead and tap on it and make sure that you are on the right app. Make sure it is from Secure Signal Niche. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.8 with over 1 million reviews. Currently, this VPN app has over 1 million downloads and the file size is just around 6.4 MBs. And this is the logo for the app. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Thunder VPN app and install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open from here. Or if you go back and go to your apps, now you should see your Thunder VPN app. If you tap on it, accept the terms, and this is the welcoming interface for your Thunder VPN app. So that's how you can install the right Thunder VPN app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.